Hello everybody, welcome to another Recycled Crafts with me, Miss Echo. So today we're going to have an extra special craft for our last craft of this series. We're going to make a robot using any old things you find around the house. The only big difference between this craft and the crafts that we've made before, other than the fact that you can make this however you want with whatever you want, is that I'm going to use a hot glue gun today. Instead of using regular Elmer's glue. So definitely if you have one of these around the house and you want to use it, make sure that you have an adult help you. This is very, very hot and I do not want you to get hurt because of me and these cool robots. So if you don't have a hot glue gun, I'm sure there are ways that you can glue everything together or use tin foil to wrap everything together that way. But I'm going to show you how to make something using hot glue for our very last craft. So I'm going to use some lids, a can, a box, and some other plastic doodads with some tin foil today to make a robot. So first, what I want to do is I want to glue these two peanut butter jar lids as feet, like that. So what I'm going to do is, oops, I want to go on this side. I'm going to put some glue around the edge on both sides of this can. All right, just like that. And then I'm going to set it down on the lids. And now they're stuck together. Hot glue is really fast like that. So now I'm going to take this empty box as that sits over there and cools down. And I'm just gonna wrap this box with foil to make it look more like a robot head. Let's see. I'm gonna glue this down. Be very careful when you're gluing, like I said before, because we don't want to get hurt. All right, I'm gonna fold this like that. And like that. Seems good enough. So now I'm going to turn this into the head. So I'm going to put some glue on the very bottom. Oops, I ran out of glue. Got to get another glue stick in there. All right. Come on, glue stick. Here we go. All right, get plenty of glue on that. And then we're gonna push it down. Oh, it looks like I did not get enough glue on there. So that's okay. We're just gonna stick some more on there. All right, so this one we might have to hold down for a little bit so that way it dries. So let's see. There we go. So now we have our head and we have our body and our feet. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to glue on some eyes. I use these cool can holders because I think that they look like really neat eyeballs and it already has kind of an eyebrow going on. All right, so push that down while that's drying. All right, and now I have this mouth, and I think I'm going to glue the mouth onto the body because I think it looks good right there. And this is all up to you, however you want to make your robot. I'm just showing you an example so that way you have something to reference. All right, that looks like a pretty cool robot. What do you guys think? I think it does. So now we are going to, you know what? I think I'm going to add some eyeballs. Yeah, let's do some orange eyeballs. So I'm just going to put a whole bunch of glue down there. Oh, it was not enough. There we go. Well, this one, I guess I could just go around in a circle, save some of the glue, and just glue down the eye. Ooh, this guy got a little googly, didn't we? That's okay. All right, so now I want to make some arms. I'm going to do one dot on this side and stick it on. And then we'll do one dot on this side. Stick it on like that. All right, what else should we do on our little robot? Let's make some buttons. So I'll glue on one right there. Glue on a second up here. This guy's looking pretty good. All right, now I think I'm going to add some wires. So I'm just going to kind of do this zigzag with this pipe cleaner. All right, and we're going to glue the pipe cleaner down in a couple of spots. Oops. And we should probably glue them down over here as well. All right. Sometimes you'll get the string with hot glue. And then, this looks like a pretty cool robot to me, but I think I'm gonna add a nose. So I used a little soda can tab, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue right there and drop this guy on. And ta-da! We have our very own robot. So I would love to see the kind of robots that you guys make in the comments. Did you use a box? Did you have a can? Did you have a whole lot of pipe cleaners to make fun hair or wires or any other kinds of accessories with? If you want to drop them in the comments, feel free to do so. I hope that you had fun with making our recycled crafts. Thank you for joining us. Have a great day.